Hey James, this is Fee, Diamond in the Rough. How are you going? If you've stumbled across my channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I do uploads. I've been doing YouTube for about 1.5 years now. This channel does craft, so mainly diamond painting. And I do love my customs. I have pictures made turned into customs. So if you're new to diamond painting, go down and check out the diamond painting section on the front page there. I also do UV resin, 2-part epoxy resin. I get the subscription boxes from Sophie and Toffee, and a few other bits and pieces. I try different crafts as I go along and share the experiences, and also when I do unboxings as well. So hopefully you join me and you've stumbled across this channel and you find it entertaining. Yes, I'm Australian, as you can tell by the accent, and I am from Western Australia. So proud West Aussie here. Bit about me. I have 2 sons, a partner, and 1 fur baby. And that fur baby does make an appearance in my videos. A tiny little pitter patter of tiny feet. Well, not that tiny, on timber floors, so yeah. And yeah, hopefully you will enjoy what you see here. And when you watch my videos, leave a comment. I do short whip and chats where I actually talk to your comments. So if you've got a question, the next short whip and chat that's done after you've put your message in, you're generally going to get an answer from there. So just a little personal touch that I like to do. Anyway, hang around, stick with me, and check out what's on my channel. And I will say bye for now.